Good evening, friends. In the last video, sir, we started a new batch. Okay, a new batch which is nothing but logic based programming. A new batch LBP6 is our number. So, what is the timings of this session? At evening 7:30. Okay, and sir, the course title is logic based programming 6th batch. So the timings are at 7:30. Monday to Friday will be there evening. Okay, so Saturday and Sunday we don't have any sessions. Next and after that, the duration of the course is nothing but, sir, we will cover these particular 350 programs in the month of Jan, Feb, March, April. Of course, January almost end. So we are going to cover in these 3 months. Definitely by the end of April, I will finish the class, sir. But maybe 1 or 2 days like that will be there. Don't worry at all. The number of programs which we are going to cover is 350. 350 programs we are going to finish. And the fees structure for this is nothing but 1,500 rupees. And to whom we need to contact if you want to register for this course? Sir, 8096 969696. And what benefits you are going to get, I already explained by taking some hacker rank link also I displayed, right? So anyway, daily we are going to do that activity only. And sir, for every class, what activities we are going to do? Sir, we will read and we will understand the problem statement which is given in the question. Then, sir, we are going to understand the logic to solve this problem. Array, this is the problem they have given. So how to solve this? We are going to cover. Then we will go with the implementation of the problem statement. So in C language, in Java, and even in Python. Then we will verify, is there any errors? If no errors, we are going to submit the program for all the test cases. So there are public test cases will be there. At the same time, private test cases will be there. Public test cases in the sense what? The test cases which are visible for you. Private test cases means what? The test cases which are not visible for you. Not visible in the sense what? Sir, it is a hidden test cases. So if every test case is visible for you, according to the test cases, you will write the program. No, test cases will help only for understanding the problem statement if you are not getting. Okay, generally, if sir is explaining one concept in the board, theory concept, mathematics, if you are unable to understand that formula, what sir is going to take? Sir, he will take one example and he will solve. Still, if you are not getting, he is going to take one more example and he will solve. Okay, sir, like that, they are going to explain. In the same way, here also, you need to understand the problem statement first. Sir, if the problem statement seems to be somewhat difficult, then you can take one public test case and you can analyze. Okay, so for that we are enabling some test cases for public. Remaining things will be hidden. You need to write programming for that. Okay, and some sample test cases already we have. Sir, what is that? LBP test. This is nothing but it is a free link, of course, only demo purpose. So once if we regularize the batch, then we will create a new link. In that I will add all the programs. Okay, then, sir, all the links will be there at the top, sir. In our regular sessions, all the links will be there at the top of our document. Sir, in today's session, okay, maybe some new people may be there. Sir, you can refer the previous class in our YouTube. Sir, in today's session, what is the first topic I want to explain for you people is, sir, input and output statements. Okay, in, sir, various programming languages. Array, sir, you are going to tell all the programming languages. No, sir. So the programming languages which are very familiar for us, which is nothing but C language, C++, Java, and Python. But of course, sir, C++, just for example, I am giving, but I am not going to explain any program related to the C++ in our LBP. But an option is given for you. You can solve the problems in C++ also. Sir, if you take first output statements, sir, what output statements are there in various programming languages? Sir, if you take C language, so in the C language, sir, we have printf is there to print output on the screen. Okay, printf is there to print output on the screen. For that, the regular attributes which we are going to use, percentage d for integer type of data, percentage f for floating point data, percentage lf for double type of data, percentage c for character type. Sir, could you please confirm percentage s is used for anyone? Oi people, those who are coming from C background, you need to tell. Percentage yes means what? Ah, Prashant, very good, very good. Shekhar, excellent. Sir, it is used to read string, but make sure that we don't have any string concept in C language. Sir, we have to consider it as character array. Okay, character array. This is a print statement in C language. Sir, if you take C++, how you can print the message, sir? Very simple. We have to use C out. Sir, in C++, percentage D, percentage F, percentage LF, such type of nonsense is not there. Okay, such type of nonsense is not there. Okay, next. Sir, what about Java? If you take Java, sir, system dot out dot print ln is there. Okay, sorry, print is there, which is used to print the content on the screen. And similar to this, we have one more output statement is there, which is nothing but print ln. The difference between first statement and second statement. In the case of first statement, whatever content you have taken, it will be printed on the screen. Okay, but control will be there in the same line. Okay, but in the case of system.out.println, it will print the content automatically. The control will transfer to the next line. So manually, no need to use a /n from your side. Okay, remember this point, no need to use /n from your side. That is the biggest benefit which you are getting with this println. Sir, what about this last one? It is nothing but a system.out.printf. Sir, how our C language printf is going to work? In the same way it is going to work. Okay, nothing more than that. In the same way it is going to work. Okay, sir, next, sir, 1 minute, please wait 1 minute. Yeah, so how your C language printf is going to work? In the same style it is going to work, but some extended functionality is also there. That part anyway we will discuss in Java, no worries at all. Next, sir, Python is there. How to print? Sir, do you know 10 forms, 10 forms of print statement is available. 10 form of print statement is available. Total 10 formats are there. Okay, depending on the situation you have to use. Anyway, almost in these 70% of the forms we are going to use in our logic based programming. Sometimes you need to print the data and you have to transfer the control to next line. Sometimes you should be in the same line. Sometimes you have to separate with the comma. Sometimes you have to separate with the spaces. Sir, all the possibilities will be there. I will explain one by one. Okay, sir, these are the 4 programming languages and output statements which are available. Could you please confirm, guys? Up to this, do you have any doubts? Theory part, is it clear? Yeah, see out, it is a Sufyan. It is used to print output on the screen. I will explain with the program. Just theoretical wise, clear, right? Sufyan, don't worry. I will explain with the help of program. Then you will get clarity. Yeah, no problem. If you know Java, just concentrate only on Java. But you keep one eye in C, C++, Python also. Amit, you will tell after completion of this, Arey sir, Python is very easy, sir. Like that. Huh? Yes, very good. Sir, now I will take the programs for each and everything. Okay, first I will take C program. Sir, could you please tell me where you are going to run? I told already we are always depending on online compilers. So we won't install any software and we won't work with the softwares. Directly we have hacker rank link. But before that, to practice purpose, sir, I have one website is there, Jodel website. I hope you remember this website maybe at your practice. Sir, this is the website which will provide support for, okay, sir, all the compilers will be there here. Okay, sir, you can see we have Java program compiler is there. Okay, sir, for C language we have one compiler is there. Okay, for C++, sir, we have compiler is there. For Python we have compiler is there. Okay, this is C language, C++, so Java and Python. Sir, I will copy paste all the links for you. Maybe it will be for reference purpose. Maybe it will be useful. 1 minute. C compiler link. This is the C++ compiler. This is the C++ compiler link, and this is the Java compiler link, and this is the Python compiler link. What we have like this. Okay. Sir, next and after that. Okay, next and after that. So what we have to do, sir, you need to execute the programs one by one. First, I am taking C program. First, I am taking C program. So how you can able to write a C program? Sir, I am taking hash include. Sir, stdio.h is there. One header file we have to include. So if you want to work with input and output statement, sir, compulsory you have to include this header file. Okay, if you want to work with input and output statements, sir, compulsory we have to work with header files. So integer, what is the function name that we have? Main. Okay, you need to print the result. Sir, printf, and I am printing the message saying welcome to C language. Like this, I took some message. That's all. It is a simple program which will print welcome to C language message on the screen. But the default return type for the main method is integer. That's why you have to return 1. Need not be 1. Anything you can take. Okay. Need not be 1. Anything you can take. But you need to click execute button. Sir, if you click execute button, what will happen? The entire content is going to be executed and your output you are going to get here. Suppose if your program is having any error, it will display that error on the screen. Okay, but recommended to follow the syntax rules and regulations. This is nothing but a simple C programming to print a welcome message on the screen, sir, by using printf. Now, I want to go with C++. Sir, yes, C++ also follow the same syntax. Hash include. So instead of stdio, sir, we have IO stream, not .h. Okay, and using namespace. This is the package related concept. So it is not in our hand as of now. So just observe, that's all. Using namespace std, and as usual, it is also having integer main method. Okay, sir, what is the output statement here? Cout. Okay, within double quotations, sir, I am printing welcome to C++ programming like this. Sir, don't close like this. You have to end with semicolon. That's all. As usual, return 1. Now, just if you click on execute button, sir, what will happen? What will happen? Welcome to C++ programming like this we are getting. Okay. This is nothing but how you can able to do, sir, program in C++. Sir, same thing I want to execute in Java. Okay. Sir, how you can able to execute? So in Java, public class, any name you can take. Assume the class name is Prakash. So the syntax of main method is different when compared with C and C++, because C and C++ are, sir, functional oriented programming languages, but Java is object oriented. In that, without, okay, without object you can't run the show. That's why, sir, everything should be present within object only. That's why, sir, what we have to do? Public static void main, like this we have to take the syntax of main method. string array args. I told, right, system dot out dot println of welcome to Java. So what will happen if you click on execute button? That welcome to Java is going to be printed on the output panel. This is nothing but how you can able to execute Java program. Okay, sir, hope it is very clear for you. Sir, what about Python? What about Python? Sir, Python is also very easy. So in Python, sir, the beautiful benefit which we have is, sir, it allows any kind of programming. Sir, you can write a script. Sir, you can write object oriented programming. Sir, you can write functional oriented programming. Anything is possible, sir, by using this Python. But anyway, we will love to provide only scripting skills. That's why only print statement is sufficient. Sir, hello Python, I'm printing like this. Hello Python, like this I'm printing. So just if you click execute, what happens? The output will be displayed on the screen saying hello Python. This is the Python program. Sir, in all these 4 programs, my intention to explain for you people is nothing but, sir, how output statements are going to work. That is the concept. So in C language, printf. In C++, cout. Sir, in Java, SOP, system.out.print. In Python, print. Sir, some people is asking, sir, what is the reason why you are taking written one? Because this C language and C++ are developed from Unix operating system. Sir, in the Unix, so default return type for any function is nothing but integer. The default return type for any function is nothing but integer, because it returns whether the program is a success or failure to the operating system. But anyway, with this, we won't get any gain. So that's why you can return any value. Even if you are not taking return type, I mean return also it will take, but it is good programming practice so to return the value. Because do you know, in our hacker rank, if you are written something, so integer square root, so it is expecting return type as integer. If you are not returning, then it will show error message. That's why it is a good programming practice. If the return type is mentioned, highly recommended to return the value. Could you please confirm? Up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Uh, Anurid. Anurid. Yes, correct. Namespace is something like packages only. Yes, I'm requesting everyone to respond. Sir, is this concept is clear for you people? Okay, fine, sir. Sir, the next cinema, what we are going to take here is, sir, I covered output statements. What about input statements? What about input statements? Sir, you know very well, the purpose of input statement is nothing but to read input from the user. If you take C language, sir, in the place of scanf, I mean, in the place of printf, you have to take scanf as usual, percentage D, percentage C, percentage F. Okay, sir, percentage S, like this we will use. If you take C++, the opposite for cout is nothing but cin. So in cout, we are using double less than symbol, which is called as insertion operator. But here we have to use double greater than symbol, which is nothing but extraction operator. Remember carefully. Then, sir, coming to Java. Okay, first I will give Python, then I will go with Java. So in Python, we have input function is there. Sir, if I want to read integer value, int of input we have to take. So if you want to read floating value, sir, float of input we have to take. Okay, sir, it is for what type of data, sir? Integer. It is for what type of data, sir? Float. Sir, it is for what type of data? By default, the data will be in the form of string. Okay, by default, the data will be in the form of string. Sir, I request every participant, so please check whether you are in video mode or not. So because the session is being recorded, it will be uploaded in the YouTube, and even later, if you want to view the sessions, so it won't be correct. I request everyone to please check. Okay. So attending online session is a very easy task, but you need to check whether you are in mute or not. Okay, video mode is there or not. Okay, like that. Because from the past 2 years, I am taking the classes like this. I have various experiences. Okay, I will share you in our regular sessions. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. So just I'm not giving any warning for you people. Just I'm giving a alert message. That's all. Sorry, all these things are not required. Okay, yeah, fine. Sir, next, what about Java, sir? What about Java? Sir, in Java, there are three ways are there for reading the data. The first one is nothing but you can go with the buffered reader. Buffered reader. Sir, second, you can go with the console. Sir, third, you can go with what you can call sometimes scanner class. Okay. Sir, the purpose of a buffered reader. The purpose of buffer reader is nothing but first of all, it is available in IO. This console class is also available in IO. The scanner class is available in sir java.util. Remember these words carefully. Remember these words carefully. Okay, because I will explain these things. Sir, buffered reader, which is used to read character data and string data. From Java, if you want to read character or string, then only we have to go for buffered reader. That is the reason why majority of the people are not going to use buffered reader. Because if your application is dealing with string or character, then you can take no problem. But our applications are not like that, because we need to handle with numbers, we need to handle with floating point values, everything will be comes. So that's why we are never recommended to use this buffered reader in our application. Similarly, sir, console class is there. What is the purpose of console class? It is used to read string and password, sir. Okay, I want to read a password from the user, then you can go for this application. 1 minute, I will show you one program. Today I executed one program. You can able to see it is a simple database program, sir. Okay, it is a simple database program. 1 minute, where is that? Yeah, so this is the simple database program, sir, to check whether username which you have given is a correct username or not. Okay, I want to check, or I need to write the data to the database. That is nothing but my requirement. Sir, you can able to see here. First, I am asking array, enter your hall ticket number. Sir, I will read the hall ticket number. Sir, enter your name. Sir, I am going to give the name. Okay, sir, enter your password. Have you observed? Console C is equal to system.console c.read password. Whatever password you are creating, sir, whatever password you are typing, it will be there in the form of character array. Later, I am converting that character into string. So direct string it won't return. Character array of passwords, because the spaces, all these things are very very important. Okay, in the string, if you supply the data like this. Okay, sir, sometimes example, sir, if you take myself, sir, sometimes do you know, I will keep my password like this, admin followed by one space. So if anyone is asking what is a password, sir, in my system it is my habit to I can't remember all the passwords. So I have one WhatsApp group is there. So my number and my another personal number and my in my house my mother number. So these three numbers are created with one group with the name passwords. So in that passwords will be there, admin will be there, but I'm not typing any space, but space will be there. Okay, have you observed? Suppose if I have two spaces, I will create a admin followed by X. That means two spaces are there. So admin followed by two X's, two spaces are there. Like this we have. Luckily, you people are not there with me. That's why even if you know, you can't do anything. Have you observed? Like this, it will be there. Okay. So in the same way, sometimes two spaces if you are giving, suppose Prakash followed by two spaces, then our string will automatically remove these two spaces, sir. That's why first read the data in the form of character array it will provide. So then you can convert it into string. Sir, I am printing the information on the screen. At the same time, the same information I am going to write on the database also. So to work with the passwords, sir, you have to go with which class, sir? Console class. Just I am explaining, that's all. Whereas coming to scanner class, it is the most commonly used input device, okay, which is used to read all types of data types. Okay, all types of data types. Sir, what type of data types I can read from this? But I can't type each and everything. Sorry, sir, I will copy paste from my old notes, because again it will take some time, because at least we need to start one program today. That is my intention. Okay, 8:30 morning batch, core java. Yeah, console is there here. 1 minute. Yes, these are the functions. Okay, and this one also I will copy. Yes, sir, you can able to see obj dot next, which is used to read next object. This one is not required. Sir, next byte, to read byte value, to read short value, to read integer value, long integer, float, double boolean, line. And you can see this note also. There is no direct method to read a character value. Indirectly we have to use which one? String concept. That's what that part I will explain later. These are nothing but various input statements what we have. Sir, if it is clear, I will go with one simple example program. Could you please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Clear, right? Sir, this method is a scanner class. Yes, scanner class. Sufikon, I will teach you how you can declare scanner class and how you can able to read the input in our upcoming programs. Clear, right? Yes, sir. Now I need to go for Chandu. No worries, no worries. Slowly you can learn. Chandu, 1 minute. I will give permission for you to speak. Please speak few words. At least you are getting something or not. Please confirm with that message. Yes, at least you are getting something or not. Are you facing any difficulty? Chandu, please respond. Yes, slowly it will be understandable. See, if you are facing any difficulty, then please let me know. There I will explain. Okay, there I will explain. No worries. Yeah. Sir, now first example. Sir, I am going to read two numbers from the user. Okay, and I will calculate addition of those two numbers. So for that, I will prepare a C program. Observe carefully how it will be. Sir, I am taking integer a comma b comma c, three variables. So I want to read the data from the user by using scanf. How many values you have to read? Two values you have to read. Sir, percentage d, comma, ampersand a, comma, ampersand b. Sir, I accepted a value and b value from the user. What is the logic, sir, to calculate addition? C is equal to a plus b. Next and after that, sir, we have to print percentage d comma the value of c. Okay, sir, percentage d comma the value of c. Now for this program you need to supply the inputs. Assume the input is 10 and then 20. If you click on execute button, what will happen? We are going to get the result as 30. We are going to get the result as 30. This is nothing but a simple C program to perform addition of two numbers. Just for your understanding purpose, I am telling. In the same style we will write in our hacker rank. Okay, sir. Then so don't write any messages like this. So printf, sir, enter any two numbers. So don't take such a type of things. I told in the introduction session itself. So just you need to supply the input, you need to click, that's all. So those things won't be there. Have you observed? Enter any two numbers 30. So in the output panel we will get like this. But I have written a code. So if it is your output, in my test cases I have given output like this. Sir, both answers are same, but this extra message I didn't provided here. That's why test case is wrong. Sir, you are correct, you know the programming, you have written the correct program, but lack of practice, lack of attending the what you can call coding sessions, sir, these type of problems you may face. So definitely our course will remove such a type of unwanted errors from your side. Okay, now it is going to work perfectly. Sir, even space is also important. Sometimes, do you know, space 30 if you provide, sir, if you execute, what happens? Sir, space 30 you are getting, at least you can see somewhat. Here you are going to identify something. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, you can able to see something here. So some space is giving. Okay, sir, this one is also sometimes it is very dangerous. So I will give 30 like this, I will give 30 like this, not a space followed by 30. Difference is there, sir. So every minute point is very very important in the programming. Okay, especially in this coding rounds. Sir, now go to C++. Program is the same. Okay, what thing we have to take? Sir, I need to declare three variables: integer a comma b comma c. Sir, c in a and then b. What is the next line? C is equal to a plus b and c out c. That's all. Now assume I am giving triple one and then triple two. Sir, what answer we should get? Triple three we are going to get. This is nothing but how you can able to do in C++. Let me go with Java. Sir, how to do Java? Integer I am taking, sir, a comma b comma c. Sir, a is sorry, if I want to read, we need to declare scanner class, right? Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, from where you are accepting the input. Sir, from input device. From the input device we are reading the data. So system dot in we have to mention. Next, and after that, sir, I want to read a is equal to obj dot next int. Obj is an object which is declared to scanner class object. Sir, using this we are reading the value of a. So b is equal to obj dot next int. I am reading the value of b. So c is equal to, what is the formula? A plus b. Sir, then I am printing system dot out dot println of c. That's all. Sir, I am giving input as 100 and then 200. If you click on execute, sir, we will get error saying, array, where is a scanner class? I don't know you are taking scanner class, because I told already scanner class is available in, sir, one default package, java.util.star. So this is the reason by default our hacker rank will include util and then io. By default it will be there in every program. Let me execute. Sir, you can able to see 300 is nothing but my answer. Excellent. Sir, now I need to go with Python. I need to go with Python. Sir, what is the Python code here? Sir, we have to take a is equal to, I told already, int of input. Sir, b is equal to int of input, I told. Sir, c is equal to a plus b. Sir, where you declared a value, b value, c value? No. Declaration is not required. Directly we can use. Now I am printing the value of c. Sir, I am giving input as a 555 and then 555. Sir, let us see what answer we are going to get. Have you observed? Sir, 1110 is the output, right? This is the way how you can able to do in Python. Yes, friends, please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Up to this, how to write basic programming, I hope you got the clarity, right? Please confirm. In C++, what is double greater than symbol? It is called as insertion operator. Insertion operator, which is used to read data. Okay, and this one is called as extraction operator. Sorry, this one is extraction operator. Sorry. And this one is called as insertion operator, which is used to write the data on the console. These are the operators, sir. Okay. I hope everything is very clear for you people. But anyway, today time is not there. So that's why maybe tomorrow I will explain about remaining programs, that is starting from LBP1. We can't call it as a left shift and right shift. Some people are asking, sir, can we call it as left shift and right shift? No, we should not call, because, sir, these are overloaded operators. These are overloaded operators. Already it is having some meaning. Okay. So these operators are overloaded operators. Operator overloading is there in C++, right? So that concept internally they have implemented. Okay. So if you are passing C out followed by double less than, then it is insertion operator. If I am taking 5 left shift of 1, then it is shift operator. Difference is there based on the operands. Yeah. Sir, from tomorrow, we will start our programs. LBP1, we are going to see even number or odd number. LBP2, wired or not wired. LBP3, leap year or not leap year. LBP4, e-commerce analysis. Okay. LBP number 5, increment operator. Okay. So anyway, so maybe tomorrow, slowly we will start, sir. Maybe you can expect a first problem and a second problem introduction in the next session. So after that, the second problem, third problem will be covered. So and then fourth problem, fifth problem will be covered. Like this, slowly, because some people have to adopt to my teaching. Okay, so everything should be there, right? So you need to first we need to go slowly, then we will pick up, sir. Okay. Yeah. So from tomorrow, we will continue our regular syllabus. Okay.